Have you ever needed to haul something behind your Can-Am Maverick X3? Well, now SuperATV's got you taken care of with our all-new rear receiver hitch with a 1,500-pound tow capacity, made of heavy-duty steel, and a super quick and easy installation. The first thing we're going to do is go through and remove all 6 of the radius arm nuts. As you can see, we are utilizing a rear bumper from SuperATV. If you are, the installation is going to be a little bit different. Same principle and same concept. The only difference is whenever you remove all these nuts, your radius arms aren't going to want to fall off. Now, if you're using the factory plate or no bumper at all, you'll have your factory plate here and you'll go through and you'll remove all your nuts and your radius arms are going to want to come off. So you may have to jack the machine up a little bit just so your radius arms stay in place. If you have a friend that can help you, that makes it even that much easier. But like I said, all we're going to do is remove these 6 nuts. So we have all 6 of our nuts removed. We're going to grab the rear receiver. So you may have to move your studs around. You may have to take some weight off of the rear end, off of the radius arms, and we just kind of jack the machine up a little bit with our lift. You can use a floor jack or anything just to get the machine lifted up a little bit. And as you can see, we got almost all of our studs sticking through. So we're just going to go through and hand tighten all the nuts. Remove the hitch pin to access the 2 bottom nuts. And then we'll go ahead and put the tension back to it, so we'll let the suspension back down. So then you just want to go through, make sure everything's fully tightened, and you can reinstall your hitch pin. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's rear receiver hitch on this Can-Am Maverick X3. For more information on this rear receiver hitch or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.